as part of efforts to drive Nigeria's ambition of becoming a leading technology-driven nation, the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure, NASENI, has entered into a strategic partnership with the Abuja Technology Village Free Zone Company to transform the Abuja Technology Village. The NASENI portion of the Abuja Tech Village sits on a 300 hectares of land subdivided into technology and innovation research focus areas, full-scale production, and innovation and technology hub. Executive Vice Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of NASENI, Mr. Khalil Suleiman Halilu, disclosed this at a press briefing and site tour held at the Technology Village in Piakasa, Lugbe, off Airport Road, Abuja, reaffirmed the agency's commitment to bring in Nigerian and foreign partners to transform NASENI's allotted sites at the Abuja Technology Village.
There is a great alignment between what the Abuja Technology Village is doing in terms of incentives, in terms of strategic direction and positioning. And we're here now as tenants, and we'll be doing more. We'll also attract other partnerships to this beautiful place. And generally we hope for a much brighter future where we can create a lot of jobs for the country. We consume locally made products, and we establish the national brand under the NASENI name.
Halilu, who stated that in 2024 alone, NASENI developed over 35 market-viable products, said the collaboration with Abuja Technology Village will help scale those innovations, end era of stacking research outputs on shelves, and ensure that NASENI research leads to real-world impact. Noting the mutual benefits of the partnership, he said Abuja Technology's strategic location, investment incentives, and joint vision for technological advancement of Nigeria and the economy would bring investors.
In terms of physical investment, we are talking about nothing less than 300 hectares of built-up facilities, various facilities that some will serve as factories, some will serve as accommodation, some will even serve as sports, part of our CSR. So we are looking to build a community where people can work and live comfortably without the need to go far.
On his part, the acting managing director of Abuja Technology Village Free Zone Company, Mr. Isa Yusuf Shafiq, praised the collaboration, calling it timely and vital for Nigeria's industrial development.
It's a partnership that was bound to happen. All it was waiting for was time. And it couldn't have happened at a more appropriate time. This is when Nigeria really needs to start local production, local capacity development, and that is in line with what ATV does as a science and technology park.
Also speaking, the Special Advisor on Foreign Partners and Intergovernmental Affairs to NASENI's EVC, Dr. Dahiru Mohammed, said the NASENI Abuja Technology Village partnership marks a significant milestone in Nigeria's push for industrialization and technology-based economic transformation.
I wish to thank the management of the Abuja Technology Village for all their support and their commitment they have shown so far in this partnership. And going forward, the country is going to benefit a lot from it because so many companies are coming under the NASENI brand to set up here in this particular place.
Following the press conference, Mr. Halilu and his delegation led journalists on a tour of the NASENI allotted sites at the Abuja Technology Village project site in Piakasa Lugbe along the airport road. Responding to questions from journalists during the site tour, the EVC of NASENI assured that significant progress will be recorded soon as construction activities are set to commence immediately.
Well, we intend to move to site immediately by next week. So we'll start scratching the surface, and we hope to come back in maybe half a year to see significant progress on the work that is being done there. I think NASENI is known for building things quickly. One of the record factories we've done was just under 4 months, and we intend to replicate the same thing here at the Abuja Technology Village.
The Abuja Technology Village, a pioneering technology park and special economic zone in Nigeria's capital city, Abuja, is an attractive hub for local and international companies, research institutions, and innovators. The village is focused on key sectors such as information and communication technology, biotechnology, minerals, and energy technology.